Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Counter-Strike 2 network lag, stuttering and packet loss. Let's fix it guys. First step, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for these commands. Just copy and paste it one by one. After finishing all these commands, just to close stuff here. Second step, you just need to go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it, select yes. Now check my video description for this registry path, just to copy and paste it and press enter. And check my video description for this text used in my video, just right click on it and copy it. After that, make sure you selected the parameters on the left side. On right side, you just need to right click on the blank area and select new and select a dword 32-bit value and paste the text we copied and press enter. Double click on it, set this value data to 1 and click on OK. And now just to close stuff here, and third step, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security, click on open it. Select inbound rules on the left side. On right side, select a new role, select port and select next. Check my video description for this TCP code, just to copy and paste it in here and select next. Allow the connection, select next. Check mark all of these, select next. Name it as CS2 Tcpip and click on finish. Select new rule again and select port and select next. Select UDP and copy and paste the UDP code and select next. Allow the connection, select next. Check mark all of these, select next. Name it as CS2 UDP, click on finish option. And now you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.